If you're a big fan of carbon fiber and don't mind paying for a quality part, then you'll definitely want to check out the Trufiber carbon fiber side skirts for your 2015 through 2018 Mustang V6, EcoBoost, or GT. Now the Trufiber kit will include a pair of carbon fiber side skirts, as you can see, that will completely replace the factory skirts on your S550, and in my opinion would flow really well with other carbon goodies already on your ride for around the $700 price point, so definitely not a cheap modification. Your install, on the other hand, will get a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, as there is a small, and I mean very small, amount of drilling needed to remove a couple of factory rivets, but other than that, everything is completely straightforward. So carbon fiber typically is a love it or hate it modification in the Mustang world, but I will say it has become a lot more popular with the S550 Mustangs, and in my opinion, guys, it does look really good when done tastefully and in moderation. As I did point out earlier, this would be a great compliment to the owners out there who have maybe already grabbed a carbon fiber front chin or lip spoiler and just want to keep that look going on the sides as well. Just a quick heads up here, if you did really want to complete the look, Trufiber does offer their rear diffuser kit as well here on the site. But getting back to the skirts themselves, I think you're going to find the construction to be extremely nice and extremely high quality, and that has been my experience with Trufiber parts in recent memory. They do utilize a vacuum-infused carbon fiber 2x2 twill weave, which is then finished off in a beautiful clear coat, buffed to a show-worthy finish, right out of the box, mind you. Now, Trufiber does state that the clear coat has UV inhibitors kind of baked into it already, and this will just help prevent any fading over the years, but if it were me, I would still throw a coat of wax on these bad boys occasionally to keep them looking fresh and protected over the years. Now, Trufiber actually states these skirts are paintable, but if I can be completely honest, I don't know who in their right mind would spend this kind of dough just to cover up the beautiful carbon fiber finish on the Trufiber options here. Now, if you do have your heart set on color matching a set of skirts to your S550, there are going to be much more affordable ways out there to achieve this look, but at the end of the day, it's your money. You can do whatever you want. Now, if you did want to rock that carbon fiber finish as Trufiber really intended, here's what you can look forward to. A wonderfully consistent weave throughout the entire side skirt. And in my experience, guys, that can really make or break in a carbon fiber appearance part like this. Because sometimes, sure, you might be able to save a few bucks, maybe go with a lesser quality part, but the weave will be a little inconsistent and you might have a bad spot here or there. Just really kills the look of the product. That's definitely not the case here with the Trufiber side skirts, as the finish is on point and the customer reviews tend to back that up. Feel free to read up on a few of those if you haven't already done so before pulling the trigger on a part like this. All right, so we've established the finish is what you'd like to see when you're forking out nearly $700 for a set of side skirts, but the fit is also another big win for Trufiber. So getting to the install, strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, simply because you will need to either drill or cut a couple of factory rivets to remove the factory side skirts, which will stretch the install to about an hour or so from start to finish. Now, the idea here is to obviously remove those factory side skirts first by removing the factory push pins using a panel removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver. At this point, you can either cut or drill out the 2 rivets per side and then remove the factory side skirts from your ride. At this point, you're just simply going to install the new Trufiber option in reverse order, using those factory push clips and hardware. Repeat that same process for the opposite side, and your installation is complete. So if you're a big fan of that carbon fiber look and maybe would like to add a little bit more to your S550 and don't mind spending top dollar to get a quality part, you're really going to enjoy the Trufiber options, and you can grab your set right here at AmericanMuscle.com.